And what is Bhagavad Pranaitam Dharma? That is stated in the Bhagavad Gita. We know everyone. He came, Krishna came, his mission was Dharma Samastapana Thaya, for establishing the religious principles or re-establishing Dharmasya glani bhavati bharata, yada dadahi dharmasya glani bhavati bharata. So sometimes there is glani, discrepancies in the matter of discharging the principles of dharma. At that time Krishna comes. Pritranaya sadhunam vinashaya cha duskita. Juge juge sambhavana. So, this dharma, Krishna did not come to reorganize the so-called dharmas. Hindu dharma, Muslim dharma, Christian dharma, Buddha dharma. No. According to Srimad Bhagavatam, it is said, dharma prodhita hoitava. The dharma, which is a type of cheating process, that kind of dharma is projita, prafishta rupena ujjita, and it is thrown out or kicked out. The real dharma is Bhagavad. Real dharma. Therefore Prahlad Maharaj said, Kaumaro asarit prajya dharmana bhagavatanya. Actually dharma means God, our relationship with God, and acting according to that image, so that we may attain the ultimate goal of life. That is all. Hare Krishna